Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make my K'NEX butterfly knife. Yeah, the parts you will need 6 of these white things, 3 of this orange K'NEX parts, 2 of these yellow parts, and 2 of these gray parts. So let's start. Um, oh, wait. First I'm gonna put my camera down. So let's start with taking. We're gonna make a little bit of light. Let's start taking one of the yellow parts, then one of this parts. Put it together like this. So you see, then it's connected like this. Okay, then you will need a gray part like this. Put it on there. Then take that other one part, the other yellow part, and connect it like this. Then you got this. Then put that on the side. Take another one piece like this, and the gray piece. Put it together like this. Okay, then take this again and put it also on like this, on there like this. So let's connect it like this now. You see, it's like this. So then you're gonna take one orange piece and one piece white piece. It's the blade. This is the blade like this. Okay. Then you take this and put here on this round there. Uh, just put it in a white piece. Then take this piece and put it just in there. That's connected with the white piece what was in there. See, like this. It cannot move. See. Then take that white part and put it on like this. Do the same on the other side. That you got something like this. Then take the two orange parts and put it on the back. Then you got your knife. Congratulations!